The title of my presentation is Reimagining Active Learning for Transformative Pedagogy, Breaking the Silence. These are the course details. Underpin this initiative are active learning is sometimes misunderstood to be something that is only physical, and the second one is the silence that we see in our online classes when students do not engage in class. I introduced the idea of active learning zone into the classroom to understand that active learning is not necessarily physical, it is metaphysical, and it can be seen across a zone, and that means it can be used inside and both outside the classroom as well. So bringing this idea into trying to break the silence, when students are silent, especially with online learning, we want to encourage them to not just to physically speak up, but to provide feedback. And we use this, and I certainly use this in the online context, using Word app, sometimes using Excel app on Microsoft 365 SharePoint. And what this means is that as a lecturer, I no longer depend upon the physicality of the class, but I'm beginning to utilize meta thinking and online tools to fit with changing contexts. This also allows students to horizontally explore peer-to-peer responses and feedback when they see other answers or responses being put into the Word app on SharePoint as well. And this then ultimately creates a new and innovative form of noise that is not physical but intellectual. This is an example of the question I would ask, and I would, for example, put here in the Word app, what is your impression of writing? And all students are encouraged to put in their responses with putting their names on the side and giving us their thoughts and reflections on what they think or their impression of writing is. This graphic compares the course learning outcome achievement across 2 different semesters. What we can see is that for the larger cohort in January semester, the achievement is slightly lower, but that's because the group is a lot bigger. So the use of Word app as well as Excel app can be better encouraged for bigger cohorts to help improve the achievement of the course learning outcomes. The most direct benefits of this transformative learning are it encourages class participation online and both offline. It forms ready-made contextualized revision books for students to refer to. And also finally, there's a direct return of investment to our institution as far as these latest technological platforms are concerned and its use is concerned. These are some of the learner feedback from the use of this innovation in class. Finally, this innovation is captured in our textbook published by Pearson.